In this video, I'll show you how to use advanced dark mode on iPhone. If you're a dark mode lover, then this video is gonna blow your mind. Because by following this video, you can take your iPhone dark mode to the very next level. So without further any delay, let's get started. Well, so now to do that, first thing first, you need to have a black wallpaper. So I'm gonna open up the Photos application on my iPhone, and I have a black wallpaper here. I have taken this wallpaper by blocking the camera, so you can take the wallpaper first, and then simply go ahead and tap on the share button at the bottom left right here, and then scroll down and tap on use as wallpaper. Now once you have done, you just need to tap on add at the very top right, and tap on customize at the bottom right here, the customize home screen, and you just need to make sure the blur is deselected. You just need to unblur this one and then tap on done. And once you've done, you just need to get back from here. You'll get to see the black wallpaper has been saved. Now the very next thing that you have to do is just need to press and hold any empty area on your home screen and tap on edit at the top left and tap on customize. And once you do that, he'll get to see a few different options. So if I select the dark, he'll get to see the app icon is dark. But if you want to get the advanced dark mode, you just need to tap on tint here. And once you have select this, he'll get to see the app icon is also get into the dark mode. And it looks so nice, so you can actually select the small or large size, whatever you want. So I'm going to keep it default with the small. So if I get back from here, I'll get to see it's super dark mode here. But if you have the dark mode right inside of the application settings and others, then you just need to swipe down for the very top, and here you get the dark mode option. You just need to enable that feature as well. You just need to enable this dark mode is on. So if you don't find this one, you can press and hold the empty area. You can tap on add a control, and you can get the dark mode feature right here. You can tap on this. This will be added to your control center, and then you can enable this feature. Now if I get back from here, you'll get to see everywhere I go, this is the dark mode feature. So if I open up the settings here, you'll get to see the settings is also dark. So this is how you can actually enable the advanced dark mode feature on your iPhone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.